Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to English time. Uh, we just met yesterday, right? Yes, today is our second class of this week. And yesterday I asked you to do some special activities. It is about body part. Yes, we review about the noun. What is noun? Now is the word that used to name or call some things, places, people, or animals. So I ask you to do find the name of each part of our body. Let's see. The first part is head. Head. The first part is head. This is head. And the second part is ear. Yes. And the third part is mouth. And the fourth part is your arm. And the fifth is your legs, not your foot, because it points out at your legs, the long part of your lower part. And the sixth is your eye. Yes. And the seventh is your nose, a small nose on the boy face, but big nose on my face. Just kidding. And the next is your teeth. The white one in your mouth. And the next is your hands with 5 fingers. Your hands with 5 fingers. And the last one is your foot. Your foot. Yay! These are 10 parts of our body that I asked you to do yesterday. And what we gonna do today? What we gonna do today is we gonna review. We gonna review your work. I gonna tell about all of your work, so you can check that I already did it. I didn't do it yet, so you can check it and you can upload it into group line. So let's see. At the first week, the first hour of our class, I asked you to do your self-introduction by writing on worksheet 1, like on the screen, and introducing yourself by recording your video. Let's see. These are some of our friends that I keep it in my computer after you upload it. And the second time that we met, I asked you to do worksheet 2. Worksheet 2. Which one is worksheet 2? This one is worksheet 2. Worksheet 2 is I ask you to write your name and write your friend's name. It can be your your classmate or any friends around your house, or if you cannot think about your friend's name, you can just make up. You can make up your friend's name. And the next week, I asked you to do on page 3. On page 3. Teacher, what you asked me to do on page 3? On page 3, I asked you to do 2 activities. The one is circle the names that are written correctly, and the next is match the picture with the correct name, because we already learned about our new friends in the book. So this is activities on page 3. And the next one, worksheet 3. For worksheet 3, you can see on the screen. This is worksheet 3. We know about greeting, so I asked you to do this worksheet. And the 5th hour of our class, I asked you to do to record your video introducing yourself with your family members or your friends around your house. So you can check the script in the notes of group line, or this is the script that you can use to record your video. And the next hour, I ask you to Also recording your video. Recording your video about 10 nouns around you. That's our we learn about nouns. So I ask you to show me 10 nouns around you, any nouns around yourself. And some friends already uploaded into group line. You can check out your friend if you cannot think, if you don't know how to do it, or you can check out on my video. And the next hour, I ask you to write 5 words. Write 5 words. So if you want to know which 5 words are there, you can check out on in my video. And the next one before, I think last week, yes, if I'm not wrong, yes, last week, I asked you to recording you reading on page 10. Recording on page 10. You can see my video and read it. Yes, and that's all for the activities or work that I asked you to do. And the very last one is special activities on the link that I have sent to you into group line, and you can check out the link in the video on YouTube. Under the video there is the link of your special video. So if you cannot find, you can always ask me to send it to you. And if you have any question about any words, you can also ask me. And next week we gonna learn harder. We're gonna study harder and we're gonna play harder. So please, to be continued, and please stay for it. Please stay tuned for it. And that's all for today. And I hope that all the times that we are together, you enjoy my video, and I really want to meet you. So I asked you to record some videos, but although we cannot see in a person, but when I can see you through your videos, I feel like we are together. So if I ask you to record video about you, if I ask you to record video as your work, don't be shy to do it. Everyone can do it. I hope and I believe that everyone can do it, and you can do it from your past. From your past videos, you are doing well or you are doing well on your work. So keep it on and don't give up. So see you next week. Bye bye, guys.